Imagine you're in a small town where ambulances can take half an hour to arrive, and the child you're babysitting has epilepsy. Would you know how to help them if they had a seizure? Now imagine you're out to dinner in a big city, and your friend accidentally consumes their allergen. Do you know where their EpiPen is and how to use it? What if you're out on the street and you see someone collapse, and when you rush to help them, you see that their medical ID only states that they have a heart condition? Would you give them CPR? How would you help this person based only on the information provided from a basic medical ID? What if there was a way you could know the answer to all these questions and more? Spoiler alert, there is. Introducing the Medical Assistance via Quick Response Code Bracelet, or MAQR, as in don't meet your maker, meet your MAQR. With these bracelets, a single scan of a smartphone can now provide a nearly limitless amount of life-saving medical information to provide the basic yet critical help required in the first few minutes of a medical emergency. With MAQR bracelets, help is only one scan away.